Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Okta Ramadewi, NPM 2441107I, from class MNG 24I. On this occasion, I will explain about the material risks in MSME business. Understanding MSMEs and business risks. Micro, small, and medium enterprises are the backbone of the Indonesia economy, encompassing millions of business actors various sectors. However, various business, including MSME, is inherently risk-averse sustainability. Without a sound understanding, risk can threaten operational continuity, financial viability, and even the overall existence of a business. Therefore, it is crucial for every MSME to identification, analysis, and proactively manage risks to achieve long-term success. Types of MSME risks. 1. Financial risks. Cash flow problem, lack of working capital, and fluctuations in raw material prices the threaten business continuity. 2. Operational risks. Production, distribution, limited human resource, and inventory management errors in daily business activity. 3. Market risks. Change in customer preferences, compensation from large business, and local and national economic uncertainty. 4. Legal and regulatory risks. Licensing and tax compliance, risks of legal or contractual disputes, and sudden regulatory change. 5. External and environmental risks. Natural disasters such as floods or earthquakes, health or social crises such as pandemic. 6. Sudden change in growth policy can have a major impact on the continuity of MSME business. Okay, financial risks, cash flow problems, and lack of sufficiency working capital to run day-to-day business operation on a sustainable basis. Poorly managed credit and debit can burden MSME finance and threaten business continuity. Unexpected fluctuation in raw material price can increase production costs and reduce business profit margin. Next, operational risks. Distribution of production or provision of goods or service that can suddenly stop business operations. Limited human resource and expertise impact the quality of product and service. Inventory management error that result in excess or shortage of stock. Next, market risks. Rapid change in customer preference make it difficult for MSME product to compete if they are not adaptive to market trends. Compensation from big business and e-commerce is sequencing the market share of MSME, making it difficult to retain loyal customers. Local or natural economic uncertainty has a direct impact on consumer pricing power and demand for MSME products. Okay, next, legal and regulatory risks. Failure to comply with licensing and tax requirements can result in administrative sanction, finance, and even business closure for MSME. The risks of legal or contractual disputes with partners, suppliers, or customers can result in significant financial and reputational losses. Sudden regulatory changes, such as a new tax policy or business licensing recruitment, can force MSME to adapt quickly. And environmental risks. Natural disasters such as floods, earthquakes, or fires can destroy business assets and suddenly stop SME operation. A health or a social crisis such as a pandemic can reduce demand, limit mobility, and force business closure quickly. Sudden changes in government policy, such as tax increase or restriction on raw material imports, can disrupt the stability of MSME business. Example of MSME risk case. Madam Sari food stall. Madam Sari ran a small food stall in Surabaya for 5 years. Due to increasing demand, she borrowed capital to expand her business. However, her daily income was insufficient to cover the loan repayments and the escalating operation costs. Impact of cash flow risks. Raw material stock was not purchased because cash ran out. Employers resigned their salaries late. Business reputation trends due to distributed service. And finally, the show was forced to close temporarily for too much lesion. Careful cash flow planning and risk debt management are the keys to the survival of MSME. Risk management strategy. Method financial planning. Prepare a budget and cash flow regularly to avoid capital shortcuts. Product and market diversification. Don't rely on just one product or customer segment. Human resource training and development improve employee competency to ensure optimal operation. Small business insurance protect your asset and business continuity with the right insurance product. Regulatory and business environment monitoring monitor changes in government policy and market trends regularly. Periodic evaluation. Review your risk strategy regularly and adapt it to current business conditions. Thank Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.